Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy ExxonMobil investments detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by conducting thorough research on ExxonMobil's investment options and portfolio. Familiarize yourself with the company's financial reports and market performance. Analyze the current trends in the oil and gas industry to make informed decisions. Identify the specific investment vehicles offered by ExxonMobil, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Create a detailed investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers easy access to ExxonMobil's investment products. Fund your account with the amount you plan to invest. Look up ExxonMobil's ticker symbol, which is ExxonMobil, on your brokerage platform. Review the stock information, including its current price and historical performance. Decide on the number of shares you wish to purchase based on your budget and investment strategy. Place an order for the shares through your brokerage account. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on ExxonMobil's financial health and market trends. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in related sectors or companies. Stay informed about geopolitical factors and market dynamics that could affect ExxonMobil's performance. Review your investment strategy periodically and adjust as needed based on performance and market conditions. Document all transactions and strategies in a financial log for future reference. Lastly, consult with a financial advisor to optimize your investment approach and ensure it aligns with your long-term financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.